Hello friends, welcome to the SixWix channel. Today, we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. If you're also interested in this new and exciting world like many others, make sure to stay with us until the end of this video. This video is especially for those who have no experience in this field and want to gain some basic and essential information. So, let's start this journey together and step into the world of cryptocurrencies. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of transferable digital asset. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by banks, cryptocurrencies exist in a decentralized manner and are not controlled by any specific authority. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by a person named Satoshi Nakamoto. The main goal of Bitcoin was to create an independent and decentralized payment system. Since then, other cryptocurrencies have entered the market, each with its own unique features and uses. They offer new ways to make transactions and manage money, allowing you to interact with money in a way that's different from before. How do cryptocurrencies work? Most cryptocurrencies operate using a technology called blockchain, which is based on three main principles. 1. Private key cryptography. 2. Peer-to-peer network. 3. Consensus mechanism. We will discuss these principles in future sessions. Blockchain is essentially a type of distributed database that records all transactions in a chain of blocks. Each block contains several transactions, and once a block is filled, it gets linked to the previous block, continuing this process. This structure ensures that the information remains unchangeable and transparent. One of the key features of blockchain is its security. Since the data is stored in a distributed network, it is much harder to hack. This means that when you make a transaction, you can be confident that your private key or digital signature is secure, even though your transactions are public. This security is one of the reasons cryptocurrencies have become so popular. Advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. The advantages of cryptocurrencies include high transaction speed, low cost, and the elimination of financial intermediaries like banks, which is referred to as being trustless. This means that transaction verification does not require a third party. For instance, international transactions using cryptocurrencies are typically faster and more affordable, which is a significant benefit for individuals working on a global scale. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies also have disadvantages. One of the biggest issues is price volatility. The value of a cryptocurrency can fluctuate by several % in a single day, which can pose a risk for investors. Moreover, on average, the transaction speed of popular and reliable cryptocurrencies is relatively slow compared to networks like Visa or MasterCard. How to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. To buy cryptocurrencies, you need a digital wallet. This wallet allows you to store your currencies and easily carry out transactions. Wallets are generally divided into two categories: hot wallets online and cold wallets offline. Hot wallets are suitable for quick and easy access but usually offer less security. On the other hand, cold wallets provide higher security since they are not connected to the internet, though accessing your currencies may take a bit more time. To buy cryptocurrency, you can use reputable exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. On these platforms, you can purchase cryptocurrencies using credit cards, bank accounts, or even other cryptocurrencies. This process is fast and convenient, helping you enter the world of cryptocurrencies smoothly. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have opened up a whole new world for us, and getting familiar with them can help us take advantage of these opportunities. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more about these topics, make sure to subscribe to the SixWix channel and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated with our latest videos. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and share useful information along the way.